Hey guys, Kevin here with your KevCAM tip of the day. Today I want to show you guys how to do a cleanup cam part. Now what this will do is it will go through and remove any unused geometry, any unused tools, a whole slew of stuff, and will actually make your file size much smaller. So you can see we have our part right here, got quite a few operations. I'm going to pull this over right here, and our file size is 5,231 kilobytes. So by doing the cleanup cam part, this will make this file much smaller for you guys, and you're not deleting any geometry or any associativity or anything like that. You're just getting rid of the unused stuff that is currently there. And kind of what I mean by that is if you guys go to your geometries, you may have a whole slew of stuff going on here. So there may be a whole lot in there. So how to do the cleanup cam part is very simple. Just go up to the top and right click and do cleanup cam part. Now you can just do certain ones, so you can do, remove G-code, updated stock, updated models, any unused geometry, any unused fixtures. Basically goes through and just takes out what wasn't being used before. So if we just do a select all, hit OK, and if we go ahead and just close this file down here, and then what I'll do is by closing it down, it will save everything, and I'll go back in here. And you'll see that now I'm at 4,063 kilobytes. So definitely dropped our file size down. But like I said, when you get a lot of parts going or a lot of operations going, and maybe you're going through geometries and, well, that one wasn't good, try this one, that one wasn't good, try a different one, it gets rid of all those unused ones. And this really helps out for in your chaining list as well. So if you guys, and what I mean by that is, if we go back to that same part here, and as we're grabbing geometry in your drop down right here, let's say you guys have a couple hundred in here, that will go through and clean up any unused ones that are in there as well. So just a quick tip of the day for you guys. I want to show you guys how to clean up the cam part, make that file size smaller, and make things a little bit easier for programming for you guys. So thanks guys, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.